Welcome back to my review channel, folks. I've been having some issues with my GoPro Hero 8. It's been cutting off mid-recording, and I don't know if it's due to the cold or just showing its age. And sometimes it's nice having a second camera. So I've got this GoPro Hero 11 I'm recording on now, and I thought I'd pick up a lower budget action camera. I just can't justify spending the hundreds of dollars on a new GoPro when I already have one that works fine. It's just nice to have a second. So let's get this open. We'll see what's inside, and then I will play with it a little bit and see how it compares to the GoPro 11. Well, they really didn't want this coming apart, now did they? Now, according to this will do 4K, only 30 frames per second, I believe. I don't believe it does a full 4K 60. Here's the instruction manual. A couple different languages. Looks like we've got a steel security lanyard and some zip ties. Not sure what those would be for. Got some mounting accessories. Must be the battery charger and storage case. Looks like it comes with 2 batteries, a whole bunch of helmet mounts, handlebar mounts, clip-on mounts. I believe that's a remote control and a cable. Looks like a waterproof door for something. Don't know if this comes with an SD card. I will have to look. I don't believe it does. So, see if we can get this off the packaging here. Oh, but that's tight. Of course, it doesn't help. My fingers are a little fat for getting in there and getting it off. But it does appear to use the same mounts as the GoPro. And it comes in a waterproof housing. So it must be this is a spare door in case you break the other one, maybe. Looks that way. It looks like this one's got slots through it so you can use some of that webbing. So there's the camera itself. So apparently it is not waterproof unless it's in the outer case. Shows you push it that way. That's where the battery goes in. Micro SD card slot, USB-C, and looks like a mini or micro DVI or HDMI out. Well, let me get the batteries charged up and I'll play with it a little bit, and we can compare it to the GoPro Hero 11 we're working on right now. So I'll go do that and I'll be back. It's a nice crisp, cool morning here. I'll go out and take a walk and compare the video quality of these two cameras. On the left is my GoPro Hero 11, and it's recording at 4K 30 frames per second linear lens, and on the right is the other action camera, which only does 30 frames per second. As you can see, the lens difference, even on linear, the GoPro has a fisheye lens, wider lens, and the other action camera, that's a little tighter lens. I've got the audio separated, so the left side is the audio from the GoPro and the right side is the audio from the other action camera. And then for reference, this is the audio from my wireless lapel mic. So as you can see, the video quality is quite comparable. Overall, I think this little camera will suit my needs just fine. A couple notes I don't like is the lens is convex. So if it gets set down on its face, you're going to end up scratching the lens. This is not waterproof unless it's in the waterproof case, and at that point, the audio is going to be atrocious. It's not a touch screen, so you have to use the record button, power button, and then a couple buttons on the side to control, work your way through the menus. This is something that you're just going to want to set up in a record mode and leave it there. Changing settings is just miserable. Trying to find the function to format the SD card was horrible. But overall, I think this camera is going to work fine for what I need it for, just a backup video camera. I'm not going to be doing sports activities and stuff like that. Just, it'll work fine for just being a cheap little camera. So overall, I'm pleased with it so far. It does come with 2 batteries, remote control, a whole bunch of accessories. So hopefully you found this little video entertaining and educational. Thanks for watching.